Hello everyone, welcome back to Gruhinisworld. Today I am coming up with most simple and crazy recipe called Majjiga charu or buttermilk rasam for our lazy days. This recipe is very famous since our childhood days. I'll show you how to make this recipe so tasty in a super simple way. So let's get started. Friends, we can never forget these evergreen recipes. So, when you're feeling lazy, just make your day crazy with this super tasty recipe which goes pretty well with rice. If you like this recipe, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your family and friends. Thank you. Bye.